So anybody else before we call the roll?
I also would ask about the parking, this backing into an alley. You're not going to put any conditions about that? I mean, I find it inherently unsafe.
Well,
You
in
can't see
theory,
anything.
what,
I mean,
what
it's
condition
sort of
would
your
you, can you articulate
not
what,
do it.
can you articulate what
That's
condition
not a
you would
condition.
add?
That's not
I
a
have
condition.
no idea,
can't
but
do
I
that.
mean, do you find it safe that you're backing into an alley?
I mean,
Well, I can cover that.
No,
I plan on
yeah.
covering that because, this board did spend a lot of time, taking a look at the feasibility of pulling in and backing out. And I did note that none of us did kind of discuss this as part of our board summary. So I guess I was going to start with something else. I'll start with that since James brought it up. I spent some of my afternoon driving around the alleyways, which are prevalent in the city of Saratoga Springs. And there are a lot of garages that are within 2 to 3 to 4 feet from the edge of the alley in many of the alleys that I traveled in today. So it is part of the character of our community to have what is being proposed here today. The applicant has proposed 4.5 feet. I noted a number of different garages that people are doing exactly that. Now, I had a lot of concern with that too, James, but the reality is that pulling out of your concern of backing into an alleyway, every single time someone driving a car pulls into any parking space up at my work building or any parking lot in the city of Saratoga Springs, if you're parked next to 2 SUVs, you're doing the same thing. You're slowly backing out. You're looking both ways as you can. You're letting people know that normally travel slow. And I've traveled and I've walked in alleyways in the city of Saratoga Springs as I'm jogging, as I'm running, as I'm getting from here to there. There's not a lot of people that are driving excessively fast. So every single time someone backs out of any parking spot, you're doing virtually the same thing as what the application and the applicant has proposed. So it's not that much of a concern for me. I think it happens all the time.